Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO A5 Pro, and let me share with you how to reset camera preferences on this device. So let's start with opening the camera app, and currently we are in the standard photo mode. I also wanted to draw your attention to the grid lines. I've applied them before I've started recording because I'd like to show you a visual evidence that the reset option will work. So basically they should disappear after setting everything. So all we have to do right now is to tap on the three bars icon in the right upper corner and enter the settings. Now we have to scroll down to the very bottom and find Restore Defaults and tap on Restore. And as you can see, the grid lines will just disappeared, which means that we just successfully reset all camera preferences. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.